We have a G550 here. This car is in here for a quick brake replacement. We're gonna go ahead and do the front brake job and the rear brake job in a matter of about 45 minutes and get it out. So we have a BMW M6 here. This car was in here for a few things. Front bumper repair, also front and rear shocks on this car. These are the old ones. We have brand new ones that came in from Germany. We are putting them in right now. This car should be ready by tomorrow.
Alright, so we just completed up this G Wagon 4x4 squared. You guys know we were doing a ton of these before. We hadn't done one for a while, but we got this beauty back in. This car, we did some work on it previously. We did a blackout on this. We also did some power side steps. However, it came in for more upgrades. We did a full stealth clear bra on there. So now this car went from gloss black to satin black. With also a protective film, so it's not really just a regular satin black wrap. This is actually the satin clear bra material, so it protects it and it looks cool. This car, you guys already know, has carbon fiber on the exterior, from the roof spoiler to the fender flares. We added this Brabus carbon fiber hood scoop to mimic all that carbon fiber. Looks really good together. We added the Brabus front LEDs, so now you got more LEDs up front. So you got 3 rows up top, daylight, and then the bottom now. So a lot of lights, looks really crazy at night. We did the Brabus rear bumper with the new LED lights on there. A lot of people don't do the Brabus rear bumper, but it looks really, really nice. So you definitely should do it if you're doing any of the Brabus pieces on this. Brabus wheel caps. This has an aftermarket exhaust. You guys hear it, it sounds crazy. Car looks beautiful. So let's get back to the shop and work on some more projects.
This is the most satisfying thing in the world. Three, two. It doesn't look right.
I said,
stop. What's wrong with you? Stop.
Don't worry.
Oh, you.
As you guys know, we are a Mansory dealer, straight direct from Mansory. We order all our parts from Mansory direct. These are wheels for a Cullinan. I haven't seen anybody do Mansory wheels on a Cullinan yet. I think we're gonna be the first in the world, even before Mansory releases their Cullinan. So pretty crazy stuff. We're gonna do an unboxing right now.
So we are replacing the brakes on this supercharged autobiography Range Rover. I mean, believe it or not, I haven't seen something like this bad. This is ridiculous. I mean, there's absolutely no brake pad left. Safety issue. I mean, this is really bad. So took it too far. We're gonna get this thing back on the road with brand new brakes so the customer's safe.
This G Wagon 4x4, you guys saw us removing the wrap off of it. It was wrapped in a chrome satin red. So right now it's going back to its original color. We have all the moldings off. We're re-gluing them, double side taping them to put them back on. They're a big pain in the ass to get them off and put them back on, but you got to do it to do a clean job. So the rest of the wrap is off, as you can see. And we're putting it back to stock. Customer's gonna get it and sell the car. So we also put cars back to stock here, not only make them look crazy.